Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is October 14th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest buzz surrounding Tesla's recent events and product unveilings. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Let's start with Tesla's recent Cybercab event, where the much-anticipated Optimus robots were revealed. However, the excitement quickly turned to skepticism as it became apparent that these robots were not fully autonomous. Instead, they were humans in disguise, controlled remotely. The robots entertained attendees by serving drinks, playing games, and even dancing, but their interactions were clearly guided by human operators. This revelation has led many to question the actual progress Tesla has made in humanoid robotics. While the event was certainly entertaining, it didn't provide a genuine insight into the advancements of Tesla's technology. In a related story, Elon Musk and Tesla faced criticism after unveiling their new robot products, including the Optimus robot and a self-driving robotaxi. Observers noted the striking similarities between these designs and those from the 2004 film I, Robot, directed by Alex Proyas. The event, humorously titled We, Robot, drew attention to the apparent borrowing of concepts from Isaac Asimov's works, which inspired the film. Social media users were quick to mock Tesla for what they perceived as a lack of originality, pointing out the resemblance to the NS5 robots and vehicles featured in the movie. Director Alex Proyas himself chimed in on Twitter, humorously asking Elon Musk if he could have his designs back, highlighting the uncanny resemblance between Tesla's offerings and his film's creations. Other industry figures, including filmmaker Matt Granger, echoed Proyas's sentiments, expressing frustration over Musk's perceived lack of creativity. This incident raises important questions about intellectual property and originality in the rapidly evolving field of robotics and autonomous vehicles. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these stories as intriguing as we did. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us next time for more updates on Tesla and the world of technology. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.